In today's video, we will discuss about Finland Free Work Visa 2024. I will show you a step-by-step process of how to get a 5-year work permit in Finland. And I will also be sharing on how to apply for a Finland work visa without the help of an agent. Finland is currently experiencing a significant labor shortage, and there is high demand in both unskilled and skilled workers. These opportunities, you can move actually to Finland from anywhere in the world. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters relocation abroad. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you are updated. Remember to like and share this content. You'll help YouTube recommend this content to more people who are looking for this kind of content. You'll also help me grow this community, and that will motivate me. I will be showing you how to get and secure a job in Finland and how to get the Finnish visa. No language proficiency test is needed for you to move to Finland under this pathway or visa. And also no higher education is required. That is for people who are moving as unskilled workers. I will be sharing with you the benefits of moving to Finland, high demand jobs in Finland, top job portals where you can apply for these amazing opportunities in Finland, how to send your CV and your cover letter and what is required for you in matters of the CV and cover letter, the visa application fee and the processing time of this visa under this pathway. The kind of jobs that I'm going or that you can move to Finland under this pathway in 2024 are jobs like farmer jobs, factory workers, cleaner jobs, warehouse jobs, and also skilled worker jobs. What are the benefits of moving to Finland? First off, the quick application process of the visa, because the visa takes 10 to 30 days. High approval rates of the visa, though it depends from one person to another, but the approval rates of you getting a Finnish visa under this pathway are pretty high. Finland boasts one of the best education systems in Europe, so that means if you're moving with your family under this pathway, your children and your dependents will get and enjoy one of the best education systems in Europe. The spouse is allowed to work if you go to or if you move with your spouse to Finland under this pathway. Your spouse actually has a free work permit once you get your work permit under this pathway. So once they get to Finland with you, they're allowed to work. Your work permit or the first work permit you'll get under this pathway. Your first year you'll get 1 year employment work permit. Then you'll extend it for another additional 4 years. Then after serving the 4-year work permit and the first or the 1 year work permit that you got with it in Finland, after now having served 5 years, you will get, or that is a pathway for you to apply for your permanent residency in Finland. Definitely with Finland visa, you can travel to all the Schengen areas around Europe for or without any restrictions. There is also low job competition in Finland compared to other countries in Europe. And Finland boosts high demand jobs for unskilled workers. So if you're an unskilled worker and you're imagining or you've been thinking and you do not know where you can apply for jobs, then I'll tell you Finland is the place to be looking for opportunities, because unskilled workers like farm worker jobs, construction, cleaners, you are really needed in Finland as at of from 2024. The high demand jobs in Finland are hotel and restaurant jobs, cleaning jobs, warehouse jobs, carpenter jobs, factory jobs, manufacturing, construction, healthcare. And with healthcare, we mean everything around doctors, nurses, healthcare assistants, pharmacists. And for skilled worker jobs, we have professions like IT, computer science, accounting and finance, HR, sales and marketing. So if you actually around HR and sales and marketing and you're my follower and you've been wondering, every time people talk about healthcare, moving accountants, skilled worker visa, and you do not know where you can move as an HR, as a sales assistant, or as a sales and marketing person, then Finland is where you should be looking out for opportunities from. And agriculture. So if also you are a truck driver, if you're looking for opportunities where you can do deliveries as a driver generally, then Finland is also the place you should be looking out for. Before any job application, prepare your CV and cover letter in the European format and use these to apply for the jobs. I will share all the websites that I have and that can help you to move to Finland on the description box. So once you draft your CV, go to the website and apply for these jobs. Once you get these jobs, what happens? Or once you get a job offer, what happens? Before actually I move to what will happen, I need to say there is no minimum wage in Finland, but the average pay for unskilled workers is between 7 to 14 euros per hour. So that is around 2,600 to 4,000 euros per month, but it really depends from one employer to another, now that the whole country has no minimum wage when you compare it to the UK or to the USA. So what you need for the visa application, that is after you've gotten your job offer, you need for the visa application, you need a job offer, you need a work contract, you need your passport, and you need your visa fee. Under this pathway, your visa application fee for one person is 94 euros. So once you remit 94 euros and you have all the papers, you do everything that is required from biometrics and everything, then you wait for 10 to 30 days to get your visa. And once you get your visa, or once your visa is approved, then and when you get your visa from the embassy or from the Finnish embassy, then you relocate to Finland. It is also good for me to mention that under this pathway, for you to move to Finland, you are allowed to move with your family or your dependents, that is if you have your spouse with you, your wife or your husband, and also to move with your children, who in return for your spouse, they will work freely. That means they do not require an extra work permit. They will work as your dependents, and also your children will go to school for free and enjoy the amazing Finnish education system. There is nothing to worry about Finland because English is a well-spoken language, so do not feel like you'll not be able to blend in with everybody else because they also speak Finnish, so there is nothing to worry about. Thank you so much. That is all I had to share. If you have any question, kindly ask below down on the comment section. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I do not take you for granted. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please like and share and subscribe. It will help me to grow this community. Please guys, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you are updated. Always remember to give this video a big thumbs up. You will help me and encourage me more to put more content out here. That is all I had to share. Be safe, keep safe, and until next time, bye.